Man, what happened here? Oh my, look at the motor and transmission. So this is a Mitsubishi Mirage. I believe it was a 14 or a 15, but I want you guys to see the crazy cars that you guys see, and I hope the people were okay, but look at the damage. This Toyota Tacoma looks like it rolled over. Look at the roof. That's crazy. Look at this one, missing a wheel. It's all rusted. It looks like it's been sitting here a while. That's crazy. I don't want to get close by it. It's crazy. It's crazy, yo. Look at this one. It looks like it hit a wall somehow and it rolled over. Look at the interior. It's like nasty airbags. All the airbags are deployed. And then this is the craziest part that I thought. Look at that. Engine and transmission just hanging out right there. Just chilling. Comment below, guys, and let me know what you guys think happened to this car, because I was kind of scared, you know. I was like, dang, what happened? It looked like it was going high speed and it rolled over. That's what it looked like. Look at that, 3,700 miles, and it's a biohazard. So there's some kind of chemicals in there, blood. It could be the animal. It could be some kind of chemicals, like flammable chemicals and all that stuff. But look at this. It's crazy. It's a crazy view. Look at this old school Porsche, but I'm just looking at this Dodge Ram. I'm just like, what happened to this? Look, let's compare it to the Porsche. The Porsche is level. This truck is lopsided to the right. Look at that. It's crazy. Let's go check it out, see what happened. Guys, comment below. Let me know what you guys think happened to this Dodge Ram. Look, it's a biohazard. This truck definitely rolled over. Look at that. Look at the roof. It just taco up here. The doors, it swipe something. Look at this. There's the wheel. And look at that. It still has the bearing on it. It has the hub on it. It has the rotor on it. Here's the axle just broken. It looks like it's broken. Suspension damage is crazy. Let's check out these patina colored cars over here. Look at this. It's chicharron over here. I don't know how this type of accidents comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Look at that. Just like, I feel like sometimes people can't afford the payment or some emergency happens and they just set it on fire. Just look at that. It's crazy. It's just steel, rubber, plastic. It's all on the ground. Look at that. It's crazy. The whole thing, it's gone. The whole thing. I'm just like, what happened? Like, how did it catch fire? You know, they could have dropped some kind of flammable fluid inside, and then that's what caused the fire. But I always questioned it. And then I saw this Dodge over here. It has the same thing. Look at the interior. It's just scary looking. It stinks. It reeks. Just burnt rubber, plastic. You know, smells like charcoal. Look at the engine. It's crazy. So guys, if you guys like this video, comment below, like it, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.